Hey, what's up, guys? Good afternoon from Da Nang. So, today's plan, or at least the plan right now, is to go get some Banh Beo. I believe that's like a specialty of Central Vietnam. I'm gonna go back to a restaurant that I've been to before because I really enjoyed it. So, yeah, that's our plan. I don't have too much batteries left in here. I didn't plan well, I didn't charge it in time, so probably gotta keep it quick. All right, see you guys in a bit. The Dragon Bridge. We're crossing. It's right across the bridge, so we'll be there soon. It's a beautiful bridge, though. All right, we made it to the place. Here's the menu. Yeah, we ordered that one, and that one. Yeah. But yeah, I don't think this is the same place I came to last time. Can't find that place anymore, but it's all good. Same type of food. Oh yeah, got the food. Yeah, this one doesn't look as pretty as the one I got last time. Hopefully it tastes as good. I'll try it.
You put it in the sauce?
Huh? Yeah. Vietnamese sauce. It's okay. Very good. It's cold. It's pretty good. It tastes good. It's not as quality is lower than the last one that I got. The last one I got, it looked like that picture that I showed you. It was like very pretty like that, you know. Try another spot next time.
Okay. Maybe in Malaysia.
Still pretty good. Alright, here goes the main attraction. I only got 6% battery left. Yeah, let's eat it. I will try.
In the wrong place.
Yeah, it's cold as well. It's cold. Now these two dishes, they gave it to us kind of like room temperature, not like freshly cooked.
Let's have a giant one.
Yeah, it's pretty good. Alright, killed the dish. I got 4% battery left. So yeah, had a pretty good meal. Yeah, it was a good meal. I expected more. Maybe that was a bad thing. Shouldn't have expected anything because it was good. But yeah, I've had better. That's the problem. But yeah, we had a good time. We're gonna head back soon. We're gonna walk back over to Dragon Bridge. Hopefully I have some batteries left by the time we get there. Right, we're walking the Dragon Bridge. Yeah, I don't think I've ever walked this bridge before. I saw other people walking, so I knew you could walk it, but yeah, I don't think I've ever done it myself. Yeah, there's the head. It like lights up at night. There's a nice view of this is the river. This is the river, right? Is this the river or the ocean? I forgot. Yeah, this river is called Han River, actually. Actually, we learned yesterday on our tour that this city used to be called Han City before it was called Da Nang. Da Nang is like a pretty young city from what I learned yesterday. So yeah, interesting. There's the head of the dragon.